Hello everybody and welcome to Art for Everyone. Today's project is going to be one of these flapping origami birds. So for today's project we will need square origami paper. You can get this from Amazon, from your local shops. You'll be able to find it on eBay, wherever really. I tend to buy it from Amazon. I bought this one. It's got large ones. It's got a couple of little projects that you could do there as well. It's got large ones, small ones, some of these googly eyes that you can put onto your project once it's finished. So let's get started. Excellent. We'll use this piece of paper. Now, what I tend to suggest is to start with the base. So at the moment I'm going to start with the base. The base is used in several origami projects. That's the colour that we want on the outside. So what we'll do is we'll put that down and we will get started on the blank side, which is the white side. We're going to first of all put these two corners together and press this down. Try and keep it as even as you can. And then bring it that way and bring these two corners together. And just press this one down. Excellent. And then we can open it back up. And fold it in half, bringing the long edges together. And open it back up, and the other two edges together. And open it back up. Right, so to get started, we're going to bring these two corners together. Now, ensuring that this has already got a fold coming out, so that works perfectly for us. We bring those two corners together, and then what we want to do is we want to bring another corner in. So this one works really well because that there, the crease is on the outside, so we can actually bring that there and bring this corner, this one, together to the other two that we've got ready. And just press it down as such. Brilliant. And then finally bring the last corner in. Oh, this one's going to be a little bit difficult. And just press those sides down and make something like this, or what we would call a rhombus. Excellent. So what you will have now is 1, 2 on this side, 1, 2 on that side. What we want to do is try and keep this side, which is the open side where you can see the white bits, try and face it towards you. I'll keep this towards me, and then we want to take this long edge, so where we've got it open, let's see, just there, that long edge, and we want to bring it to the center line like this. So as you can see, that long edge, which can be open, comes in and goes to the center there, trying to make some sort of a kite shape. Same with the other side. So what you've got now is something like a kite shape with a bit of a cape almost. We're then gonna get that side, flip it over, down, and do the same on this side. The open bit to the center, and again the open bit to the center. Just press it all down nice and tight, and then what we've got is this kite shape. Once you've got that kite shape, what you want to do is that top triangle, we want to fold over this line over here. So we're going to get the top triangle, fold it over, and then unfold, So you can see now there is a fold in there. We can then open this side up completely. And then what we want to do is from the open side, we want to grab just the top piece. That's that. So as you can see, the top piece, and just take it all the way up. You'll see that these two sides are also coming in at the same time, and we'll just allow that to happen, and then we can just press it down, make sure those folds work well, and as you can see, there's a nice little line coming all the way down. Sometimes what will happen is this will fold over itself like that, and that's not what you want. You want to try and make sure that this has a little bit of gap in between the two pieces. And again, on the other side, I'm going to do exactly the same. Allow for that to happen, and same with this one. Allow for that to happen. Once we've got this, we now have this kind of a shape where you've got a triangle, little triangle there, two diamond shapes with lines on either side. And then we're going to get it on its edge, on the long edge. We're just going to unfold it, or if anything, fold it out. And same on the other side, fold it out. And what you should have is some sort of a weird fox type shape looking thing. Excellent. So now that we've got that, we can pull this one flap up to expose that lovely little line that you get with a nice, especially when you've got two different colors on either side of the paper, and then do the same on the other side, and you've got this triangular piece. Right, now you can see, oh gosh, mine has kind of overlapped. I've done exactly what I said don't do, but it's okay, it's not too bad. Next thing we're going to do is, I'm just going to pull this down so you can see where we've got these little two airy bits. We're going to pull one out a little bit and just press down here, leaving that fold in, and same with the other side. Just pull it out, down and press. You should have something like this, weird kind of shape. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make something, well, the face of the bird. So what I tend to do is these little bits that we've pulled out, just open one of them up ever so slightly, and then the top, so this bit here, if you just push it down, making sure that it's still open, push it down ever so slightly, and then however big you want that face to be, you just make sure that much of it is down, and then press, and you've got your face. Okay, brilliant. And now all we need to do is just curl these wings a little bit towards the face. So the tip needs to go a little bit towards the face, and just curl them. Don't fold them, just curl them. Yep, same on the other side. And there you go. Your bird is ready. So what you want to do, at the bottom of the neck, you're going to hold it, hold the tail, and just pull ever so slightly, and just adjust it as you need to make sure that the wings are working perfect. There you go. And that's your bird. Ooh. Thank you, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Make sure that you share it with people. And hope to see you the next time. Thank you.